안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 Kim Lakjun입니다. Hi, everyone. My name is Kim Lakjun, and today I will teach you about advanced Korean grammar, and that name is Chung. Okay, Chung. Name is Chung. Okay, it can be translated into while. Okay, while. Okay, while or in the middle of, in the middle of or among in English. Okay. Okay. So let's see how we use this grammar in the sentences. This grammar in the sentence. Okay. In Korean sentence. Okay. So let's take first example. First example with the sentence practice. Sentence practice. Okay. Munjang. Munjang Yonsam. Munjang Yonsam. Okay. 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 So, okay. First example, among the Indian food, Indian foods I like, I like, you can say anyone, idli, right? Idli, okay? Okay, most, okay? So how you will say in Korean? So in the umsik, 중에서, 중에서, 인도 음식 중에서 이들리, 이들리는 제일, 제일 좋아요. 오케이? 좋아요. Okay? Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let's take second example. Okay. Okay. Example second. Okay. Nobody, nobody is a good, good sportsman, sportsman among my family, family. Okay. So how you will say this in Korean? 우리, 우리 집, 우리 집 식구, 식구 중에는, 식구 중에는 운동을, 운동을 잘하는, 잘하는 사람, 사람이 없다. Okay? Understood? Okay, very good. Till here, all of you understood? Okay. Today's pattern is chung. Okay, this chung. Okay, chung means you can translate into while or in the middle of or a month. Okay. Okay. Let's take another third example. Third example. While while having having food, while having food, we cannot receive a call. Okay. So I will say like Siksa. Okay. Siksa chunge. Siksa chungenan. Okay. Siksa chungenan. Jonhwaral. Jonhwaral. Padalsu opsamnita. Opsamnita. So read this. Siksa chungenan. Jonhwaral. Padalsu opsamnita. Okay. Understood everyone? I hope everyone understood this class. Okay. Yeah. If you have any doubt, if you have any questions, you can reach to me through our chat option is enabled. You can message me in the chat box. Okay, I will reply you through the chat box. Okay. If you want to join our channel, please join. You need to pay the monthly fees. Okay. I will explain you each and everything, whatever you want. Our fees is very, very minimal. Okay. And please subscribe our channel. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe and learn very much clearly. Okay, here. Okay, our channel is free. Don't take any money. If you want to get extra uh, attention from trainer like from me, then you will have to pay some minimal fees. Okay. Otherwise, our classes video will be available for free of cost. Please watch and share with the students who are aspired to learn Korean language. Okay. And we'll see you in the next class with another grammar, advanced grammar. Okay. And it will help you to enhance your language proficiency. You will get level achieve six level, maximum level is six level you will achieve after learning advanced grammar. Okay. So we'll see you in the next class. 안녕히 계세요. 감사합니다. 다음 수업에 만납시다.